Overhead distribution equipment can face many different types of failures and service repairs over the life of a transformer. During a changeout, line crew will lift, move, and store a failed transformer to be transported from the field to the yard. Transformers leak for a variety of reasons, resulting in possible environmental damage, contamination, and line crew work hazards. The Transformer Containment Bag, manufactured by Andax Industries, safely contains leaking transformers, allowing line crew complete access to the lifting lugs for easy lifting, moving, and storing. The bag is made of a self-supporting material for easy one-person loading. Simply lower the transformer into the Transformer Containment Bag by aligning the access holes with the lifting lugs for quick, easy access to the lugs. After the transformer is safely lowered into the Transformer Containment Bag, remove the straps from the lifting lugs and reattach the straps on the outside of the bag. Repeat this process on the other side. You can now safely lift the transformer with a balanced, secure load and in compliance with OSHA lifting standards. To contain the transformer, lift the clear, flexible duffel up over the transformer. For secure, weatherproof storage, fold over the top edge of the bag. Then fold the duffel onto itself until the Velcro strap can be used to secure the duffel. The secondary holes are used to access the lifting lugs while the duffel is in its containment stage, and designed with a duffel flap to prevent moisture from entering the bag. To ensure OSHA-compliant lifting, the lifting straps are fastened to the transformer's manufacturer's lifting lugs. In the containment stage, the transformer is ready to be moved to a storage yard or testing facility. The Transformer Containment Bag is the safest way to lift, move, and store leaking transformers, allowing complete access to the manufacturer's lifting lugs so your line crew can safely and securely move a balanced and secure load. If you like this video and are new to our channel, then be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon to get notifications when we upload new videos.